this is the other big story we're tracking this morning, that how rains have thrown normal life out of gear in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, specifically in Hyderabad. We're getting these visuals which are heartrending completely, because you have the city which was known for its historical value and also for its modernism, with Cyberabad that is now dealing with the monsoon deluge. Here's the ground report.
Schools flooded and nowhere to go. Around 400 visually impaired children have been stuck on the third floor of this building in Begumpet. The heavy downflow flooded the ground floor, and these children are at the mercy of neighbors for food. Across Hyderabad, the story is no different. Flooded colonies and homes submerged, drains overflowing and toxic froth pouring out on the streets. Rains are battering twin Telugu states, and the weatherman says more trouble is in the offing. This is the worst spell of rain in the past 16 years to hit Telangana and Andhra Pradesh.
Rain or thunder showers would occur at many places over coastal Andhra Pradesh, with isolated heavy falls during next 24 hours. Fishermen are advised not to venture into the sea, or otherwise be prepared, be cautious while venturing into the sea.
Heavy rains are likely to occur in Hyderabad, Adilabad, Karimnagar, Warangal, Khammam, Mehboob Nagar, Nalgonda, Srikakulam, Visakhapatnam and East and West Godavari. The heavy downpour has affected the wildlife as well. This bear was rescued after it remained trapped in waters for hours. Road and rail services remain badly affected, and police issuing travel alert. Disaster relief teams also are on standby for possible rescue operations. The Guntur district is the worst hit. The region was marooned after the vital road connecting the district with other regions submerged, and with no respite in the rain predicted, there could be more trouble in store.
The weather department has issued more rain warning for next 24 hours. Particularly Andhra Pradesh is receiving excessive rain. Several districts of Guntur, East Godavari, West Godavari, Vizianagaram, these districts are receiving heavy rainfall, creating flood-like situation. With camera person Damodar, Ashish for India Today.
So here are the areas which are facing the monsoon fury. The maximum Andhra Pradesh, you have Guntur, where you see the monsoon fury, and Kakinada is another area. Houses have been submerged in water. Locals rushing for their safety. Many have been evacuated as NDRF team has been deployed in Telangana. Let's take a look at which of the areas that are maximum affected, including Hyderabad. It's Rangareddy, Adilabad, Nizamabad, which are right now dealing with monsoon fury. Karimnagar, Warangal, Nalgonda and Mehboob Nagar and Medak are the other areas in Telangana which are facing the wrath of the nature. We have Ashish who's joining us on the story. Ashish, first give us a sense of how the rescue operations are being carried out.
If we talk about rescue operation in Guntur, particularly of Andhra Pradesh district, that is worst of it. NDRF team has been deployed. Apart from NDRF, the state disaster relief forces are also on ground providing relief and rescuing people. And if we talk about Telangana state, definitely the worst affected is Hyderabad, the capital city Hyderabad. It received overnight, it received almost over 80 millimeter of rain. The entire city, the low-lying areas of the city are flooded, and the local administrations are rescuing people, and they are just removing all those low-lying areas, evacuating all those low-lying areas. Apart from Hyderabad, the neighboring Rangareddy, Medak, Karimnagar districts are worst hit. In Medak, just few hours back, 2 persons died after a house collapsed due to heavy rain. In Guntur, again, if we talk about the casualty, 7 people so far has lost their life in Guntur, and various other districts of Andhra Pradesh are also badly affected because of heavy rain.
Okay, Ashish, before we let you go, how many locals are here trapped in the interior areas right now?
Both the states since are receiving heavy to very heavy downpour. Definitely, if we talk about in total of the affected people, they are in lakhs. Various districts, various hills and villages are cut off. They are marooned. And if we talk about particularly Hyderabad, the capital city, definitely the outskirts of the city, low-lying areas of the cities are badly affected. And now, CM K. Chandrasekhar Rao has also instructed the local administration to seek help of army wherever required. Devina.
Ashish, we'll keep coming back to you for more details and the ground updates. Moving on right now to the water wars that is playing between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu today.